Welcome to SKRS, your voice, your channel. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, this is not just my letter. It is the voice of millions of young Indians, tech workers and families across the globe. Jobs are disappearing. AI is replacing skills. Recession fears are haunting every home. And behind the financial loss, there is silent mental pain. The job market is shaking. Layoffs in tech companies are not just numbers, they are real people with real dreams. H-1B rules are tightening, making it harder for skilled Indians to find stability abroad. AI is not just creating opportunities, it is replacing human work at a pace faster than policies can catch up. These changes are not only financial, they are deeply human. Think of a young engineer in Bangalore or an H-1B worker in the US. Overnight they receive an email, your role is redundant. With no backup, rent, family responsibilities and loan payments become heavy chains. This is not just India's problem or America's problem, it is a global crisis. Tech companies once seen as dream builders are now becoming dream shakers. Losing a job does not just take away income. It takes away identity, dignity and mental peace. But here's something even less visible. Those who still have jobs live in constant fear. Every email notification feels like bad news. Every team meeting feels like it could be the end. This insecurity eats away at focus, creativity, and even health. Anxiety, depression, and burnout are not only for the unemployed. They are spreading in workplaces where people don't know if tomorrow they will still belong. Imagine working hard for years and suddenly being told AI can do it faster. This is not just an economic challenge, it's an emotional one for everyone. Imagine a bridge designed to carry thousands, but suddenly AI is like a storm, collapsing it overnight. Those on the bridge, the workers, fall with no safety net. Governments, companies, and individuals need to act as engineers, rebuilding, supporting, and creating new safe pathways. Because if one part of the bridge fails, everyone is at risk. What can we do? As individuals, support each other, share opportunities, and talk openly about mental health. As companies, reskill workers instead of replacing them overnight. As a government, create stronger safety nets, reskilling missions, and mental health programs. Together, we can turn this crisis into a transformation. And here at SKRS, we are building conversations around not just jobs, but also culture, values, responsibilities, because true progress means lifting society together. Prime Minister Modi ji, we ask for your leadership. Imagine a job plus mind mission, where India not only builds jobs in AI, green tech and startups, but also ensures that mental health is supported. A mission where no Indian youth feels left behind in this AI revolution. Let India be the country that proves progress is not just about machines, but about humanity. Through SKRS, we believe in culture, values, and responsibilities. These are the pillars that can guide us through this storm, making India stronger, compassionate, and unstoppable. This is not just about those who have lost their jobs. It is also about those who still sit at their desks, working day and night, but carrying a silent fear, am I next? Job insecurity has become a shadow in every workplace. This fear weakens confidence, innovation, and hope. Narendra Modi ji, for millions of Indians, you are more than just a leader. You are someone they believe holds the superpower, the magic stick, to turn the impossible into possible, to give hope where there is fear, and to create solutions where none seem to exist. India's youth looks to you not only for jobs, but for job security. We need policies that protect workers, reskill them, and inspire them to dream without fear. With your leadership, India can prove to the world that technology will not destroy lives, it will empower them. If you believe that both unemployment and insecurity deserve answers, share this video, subscribe to SKRS, and explore our playlist culture, values, responsibilities. Forward this video until it reaches Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Together with his guidance, we can demand not just survival, but dignity, security, and a future filled with hope.